Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 208. We left King's Cross Station on time, but owing to a defective signal near Grantham, we suffered a delay of 15 minutes. We were being hauled by one of the latest diesel engines, and the engine driver, who had the chief mechanical engineer in the cab with him, made up most of the time before the train reached Berwick. His speed at times was well over 70 miles an hour. For a heavy passenger train, this was a fine performance. On our arrival at Edinburgh, I had a chat with the engine driver, and he told me that the locomotive was capable of a much higher speed, but he had to reduce speed fairly frequently because of permanent way slows. The station master and the locomotive superintendent, who then came forward, showed great interest in the driver's and the chief mechanical engineer's account of the performance of the locomotive. Full stop.